Everyone, Extreme Crypto here. Today we'll be looking at RoyalQ and the opportunities it brings to you. The main thing is it's safe and you're in control and your funds stays in your hands. Raw Intelligent Quantification Robot, a big international brand with temperature, depth, height, attitude, and a future. The brand concept of RoyalQ. We are committed to building an international brand with temperature, depth, height, attitude, and future. Adhere to the business philosophy of making progress in stability, innovating in progress, achieving high efficiency in innovation, and seeking fast and high efficiency and achieving win-win cooperation with users. RoyalQ or Royal Quantification in English its headquarters is in Singapore, which is deeply engaged in blockchain economy. It has rich investment experience, rich construction experience in private equity quantitative strategy research and development, as well as system development and operation experience of the exchange, and has a strong self-supporting technical team. It only serves its own system and does not undertake outsourcing services. Besides, it has a number of financial products, experts, and technical safety experts. Meanwhile, it's equipped with an international level risk control team and has innovation technical system in terms of platform asset protection and safety factor. Now that safety factor is a very important point because the bot is programmed in a way it doesn't close a single trade in a minus. If your trade is in a minus, the bot can't close them. Yes, you can go and close them manually, but why would you want to trade in a loss? You let the bot run. You might need a little bit of patience, but the main thing is it's focused on making you profit. The strategy partners of RoyalQ, they have two strategy partners. The one is Binance, which was founded in 2017 and is one of the biggest exchanges in the world currently. Their second partner is Huobi, founded in 2013 and also one of the biggest exchanges out there. The bot is focused on spot trading, and with the volume of Huobi and Binance, it makes it ideal to use them. The platform overview. RoyalQ, Raw Intelligent Quantification Robot. Through the analysis of years of industry data and market, the perfect combination of human thinking, logic, and blockchain technology integrated a set of accurate quantitative strategy code set up on a server, reaching cooperation agreements with Binance Exchange and Huobi Exchange, using the way of transferring the API of Huobi and Binance mainstream exchange. It will be 24 hours a day, non-stop for users to speculate the currency, and eventually create a raw, intelligent quantification robot. It does not predict the future market rise or fall, only to respond to the future rise or fall. The use of data interface can be completed in milliseconds between buying and selling, can be more effective to seize the moment of the markets when rising or falling. And that's a main factor here. It's using the API keys to connect to your exchange, meaning you're setting the parameters. The only settings you're putting is read and trade, meaning RoyalQ can't withdraw any of your funds. Your funds is in your control, it's in your exchange. All you're doing is using the bot to trade on your behalf. Role quantification introduction. What is quantification trading? Quantification trading. It refers to the way in which investors use computer technology, financial engineering, modeling, and other means to define and describe their financial operation mode in a very clear way to assist investors to make investment decisions and strictly follow the rules to carry out trading strategies, buying or selling, according to the idea of mechanical model and a way to use computer technology, quantification trading methods can be further subdivided into automatic trading, digital quantitative investment, program trading, and algorithmic trading, and high frequency trading. The basic idea of quantification trading is to buy low and sell high. And that's a very important part because you're buying low and always selling higher and never closing a sell lower than your buy. Spot quantification. The essence of trading profits is to buy low and sell high. Through big data analysis, we can buy low and sell high to earn the different price. Advantages and disadvantages of spot quantitative transactions. Spot quantitative transactions is stable and safe. There is no risk of clearing out the warehouse, and the principal is more secure. The disadvantage is it is more difficult to make profits in a sideways or down market. The RoyalQ perfectly solved this problem, allowing you to sit and enjoy the rising dividend and can enjoy the sideways or down earnings. Let's see how it works. And it is. A bearish market or a sideways markets make it harder to trade. But due to the fact that you can put your trading strategy into RoyalQ because it gives you two opportunities. You can follow one of their current traders, which is individuals over the world that has managed complete the necessary criteria to become a trader for RoyalQ, or you can do it manually by implementing your own strategies and becoming one of their traders eventually. So, the trading principle, you as investor use the quantum system of RoyalQ, the brain of the AI, and it gets connected to your Binance or Huobi exchange and it trades on your behalf. Can RoyalQ run away with your money? No, it can't. Because all your funds is your Binance or in your Huobi account. Only one who has access to those accounts are you. And your parameters are set for trade and read only. No option to withdraw any of your funds. The 10 highlights of RoyalQ. First one is self-run technical team. Backend technology can be ready to support the optimize of the system to better data security, a big brand operation philosophy. Support Android and iOS systems. RoyalQ has a web page you can go onto, but it's not up to standard. They focus to bring an app to your phone, Android or iOS. So you have the ability to look at your trading, your funds, or your profits at any time. It's much more hands on and easier working from the app. It's supported in 8 languages, customer service is 24 hours online, multinational language education and trading system, fund security. The funds is in Binance and Huobi, and it's in your own trading accounts. That's a very important part. This ain't a pay and wait to get paid system. If you don't like the trading, you just go on and you stop it. If you don't like a certain trade, you just go on and sell it. You're in control. You want to take your funds out, take it out and you walk away. Top 50 major currencies, basic and professional. Only through the examination can open the professional version. Elaborate design for different customer groups. You go to the setting, you answer 3 easy questions, and you get additional pairs to trade with. Personal gains and pipeline gains. Participants can get considerable personal monthly benefits and team pipeline benefits. They have a unique structure, bringing in friends and family. All of this gets paid out of the fees you pay by loading funds onto the app. That's the only way they can take any fees or funds from you. Martins improve multiple investment strategy, tracing profits for cover positions, reduce the risks of greater income. Fewless charge for profit. Now, For them to charge any fee, you need to load funds onto the app and it gets deducted there. If you run out of funds, it will stop trading. When you load up funds, it will keep on going. Quantitative, whole circles, single guidance, or professional masters, platform social circles. Now, becoming a trader, you're creating a circle and anyone can follow you. You just open a circle, give information, and if someone who's an investor like what they're seeing, they might follow you. One step, synchronize strategies. Let a professional talent profit to provide users with convenient, create a good communication platform, learning environment. And that's a big thing. You're in control. You can choose a trader to trade on your behalf if you like what you're seeing, or you can do it manually. What more do you need? Something to work on your behalf. Currently looking at RoyalQ, as it has spread to 15 countries. In my opinion, it might be a lot more because I'm already seeing countries I know people from that's not on the list. But they expect it to be in 30 countries within 6 months. My opinion, they've achieved that already. It's expected to reach 100 countries within a year. It is expected to generate 1 billion USDT revenue for users within a year. And what I'm seeing, they're well on their way to reach it. Thanks for RoyalQ intelligent quantification robot. The main thing using the bot is you're freeing your eyes, you're freeing your hands, you got more time to spend with your family. And the fighter in financial management make money crazily 24 hours. It works on your behalf, it generates funds on your behalf. As you can see the picture here, my profile in just over a month. I've accumulated over 7,400% from all the different trades that's been closed. And my personal record day is 2.37% profit in one day on my portfolio. That's my strategy. There's a lot of strategies you can look through and join, or you can manage your own account. The link will be in the description. Subscribe, download the app, and follow it. No need to start trading. Or go to the person who's introduced you to RoyalQ, get their link, follow it, and see you might like this opportunity. Have a great one. Take care.